This checklist template helps me keep my work organized. I start each new client's project with it. It's super simple. Column B is for groups, column C is for tasks, and column D is for checkboxes. Conditional formatting makes group lines darker to help keep tasks organized. Another rule strikes through completed tasks to quickly show what's done. The progress bar at the top is a motivational boost. I love seeing the percentage increase as I complete tasks. For some projects, I add headers to track time spent and estimate remaining work. This helps me communicate clearly with clients on budget and completion progress. Now you can get this template in just 2 clicks from the extension's Cooltables menu. Download the add-on, try it, and let me know how I can make it better for you.